Hi, welcome to this part of the tutorial, and today we're going to be covering JavaScript function. Function is a very important aspect of programming. You're going to be seeing function whether you're doing backend, JavaScript, whatever language you're learning from, Angular, JavaScript, PHP, Java itself, Python. You're going to be dealing with functions a lot. And so why is function very important? Function is important for one particular reason. Sometimes you want to write a code once and reuse it over and over and over again. So for example, you want to write a code to say hello, welcome to your page. You don't want to go ahead and always say hello, welcome Chima, hello, welcome Anas, like that. You don't want to do that. So you want to write one code so that anybody that comes, the code will just run and have the person's name in it. And so without telling more stories, there are three ways available in JavaScript to do function. One is the declaration, right? The declaration method and declaration. The two is the function expression. Then there is a new third one introduced as arrow function that will cover in ES6. That's there when we are covering the new features introduced in ES6. And so without further ado, I want to go straight to showing you how to write a function. And so to write a function, you need to do what we call defining a function. Okay? To define a function. Now, you need to define a function, then tell the function what to do. And so this is the basic format for defining a function. And so you define a function by writing the word function, then giving the function a name, then writing the code to be executed. To explain this, I'm going to use a very simple example. And to do this, and so I'm going to create a function to say hello. And so we're going to straight away we'll go ahead and define it. So I'm going to say function. The function name will be say hello. You open and close bracket. We'll see the function, the importance of this bracket as we move on. And so what code do we want to write? We want a document.write hello. Hello, welcome to your tutorial. Okay, so that's it. If you go ahead and load the page, you won't see anything. That's because you just declared the function. Now there is a way to call a function, and to do that, all you need to do is to call this once you do this, hula, see it's out. So all you need to do is to call the function name Shikena. Shikena means that's it, QED in Hausa Nigerian language. And so you notice I'm teaching you a lot of language. I've taught you Igbo the last time, now I'm teaching Hausa. So click a thumbs up and say thank you. Okay, so that's how simple it is. So anytime we run this, if we go ahead and put, let's say I want to put a paragraph tag here. So anytime we go ahead and display this code, that's what's going to happen. I'm going to go ahead and you can put it multiple times. So it means that once, I'm not going to need to write this over and over and over and over again. Anytime I call the function, it's going to just display what I need to do. And so let me show you another example that has to do with adding parameters to function. Let's say you want to say it's just saying hello, welcome, but what if I want to add somebody's name and I always want to call anybody name it as added. And so that will take us to something called adding parameters to function, and I'll cover it in the next class. See you in the next class.